So let's unbox some custom tooling that just arrived from Whitehill. I love it when a video can overlap between kind of the two main subjects of this channel, which is timber framing and shaper work. So my friend Jack Forsberg ordered a custom cutter, and since I'm long overdue for a visit, I just had it sent to my shop so I could deliver it to him. I've talked about Whitehill tooling a fair bit on this channel, but I haven't spoken much about the custom tool side of what they do. They can start from scratch and make a cutter for your cross cutter, your tenoner, molder, or shaper, or in the case of this block, modify an existing tenoning block to suit a vintage American radial arm saw. This started as a 300mm diameter by 31.25mm thick, so that's roughly 12 inch by 1¼ inch tenon discs for the spindle molder or shaper, and was modified at the bore to suit the shaft requirements of his radial arm saw. It's a Z4 dual shear, which means it has 4 shear cutting knives, and the shear angle reverses on every position around the cutting circle. The spurs on the top and bottom make for a really clean cut. I have this larger block for my huge Wadkin CC radial arm saw that unfortunately is going to need a lot of extensive restoration before being put back into service. It's essentially the same diameter, but it's 2 inches thick with a keyway machine to suit the keyed shaft on the big Wadkin. So when I delivered this, Jack was generous enough with his shop time to let me try out the new block on his Vintage Delta Radial arm saw. So even in some tricky curly maple, the finish was fantastic and there was no inclination to climb. So thanks to Jack for another great visit, and thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more.